Namaste dosto. Welcome to Dainik Samvad. Today we will celebrate Kamakya Narayan Singh, a filmmaker whose most recent film, Bhor, has released on MX Player, but it has traveled across the globe before releasing on the OTT platform. So let's begin with the international journey of your film.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Uh, we film our film was premiered in IFI International Film Festival of India, Goa, in 2018 November. Then it all started there, and then it went to Ottawa Indian Film Festival. Then it was in Cairo in 2019. It was the only Indian film um, uh, to be screened in Cairo International Film Festival, and it was in Indian Berlin Film Week, Germany. It was in Melbourne. It was we won an award in Ottawa as I won Best Directors Award in Boston India Film Festival Kaleidoscope. We won two awards. Nalish won an award for best role in best negative role, and then uh, best film on social issues. So it has been a good journey, satisfying journey, and the best thing is now it's on MX Player, so everyone in India can watch it.
Yeah, and actually everyone can watch it because MX is almost free, I guess. Right.
Yes, it's free. It's free, so it can reach to the masses, and it can basically it's made for. See, people call it an art house film, but I feel it's for everyone. So everyone who understands rural India, who has connect to rural India, they can enjoy this film because there is a rural humor into it. Apart from the messages and all, so there is a humor and there is entertainment in the film.
True. It's not typically art cinema,
तो
I would
बीटा के पास बिलाप गांव है, वहां से हमारा रिश्ता है, और बचपन में बहुत छुट्टियां वहां मनाई हैं हमने, तो इसलिए वहां से बहुत, और मेरे दादाजी सबसे संपर्क में रहते थे और सबके अच्छे का सबका वेलबींग सोचते थे, तो इसलिए हम हमेशा चाहते थे कि मतलब हम अगर फिल्म बनाए तो, और वो नेचुरल प्रोसेस, अब जब कहानी सोचते रहते हैं कि किरदार जुड़ता रहता है और आपकी फिल्म बन जाती है, तो इस तरीके से फिल्म बनी है ये।
आपकी दादा का देखा है।
जी मैम।
इस फिल्म में हमने आपके एक दादा का एक रूप देखा है।
जी 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 मेरे जो ठाकुर का किरदार आप देख रही हैं, उसमें मेरे दादाजी दिखते हैं और हमेशा दिखते हैं। मुझे याद है कि मेरे पिताजी से जब किसानी खत्म हो रही थी, मेरे एरिया में नहर वहर इरिगेशन का दिक्कत है, तो मेरे दादाजी मेरे पिताजी से लड़ते थे कि हमको देखो सबको निभाना है, जो हमारे यहाँ जो पुश्तैनी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनको, उनके लिए भी सोचना है, तो किसी हाल में मुझे किसानी जारी रखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि अपने लिए नहीं सबके लिए। तो वो जो बात थी वो मुझे बहुत हमेशा टच करता था, और इसलिए मुझे बहुत लोग ये कहने लग गए कि जब भी मैं कायरो में दिखा रहा था तो वो एक क्रिटिक खड़े होकर कही कि योर ठाकुर इन फिल्म इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन द अदर ठाकुर इन इंडियन सिनेमा। आई सेड कि आई डू नॉट नो हाउ मेनी ठाकुर्स वेर like the way in Indian cinema have been shown. My Thakur I have seen was very different. He used to wear a dhoti and a kurta and a chappal, and he was not Thakur, but he was a man who lived for others in his village. So that inspired me always. So that is one character. Then Champu's character is the person who is loyal to his master. His son is looking towards development. He needs to be as developed as the others in the society. The girl is educated, so Budhini wants a different life altogether. So this is mix of the youth in Dalit section, the older generation, and a Thakur who is lenient and good. And see, cinema is all about breaking norms. And I feel in storytelling, we were so much prejudiced and we were so much judgmental कि always a Thakur can be a bad man, or a Dalit is fighting for rights. Here also Dalit fights for right and in a good way. So बिना बहुत ज्यादा लड़ाई और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट किए हुए भी एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाई जा सकती है, मैं वो क्रिएट करना चाहता था. Went on for 6 months and then we thought of going with fresh face and we got them and they were with us for 2 months in the village and they were. So this was one thing while making the film, and then after we made the film, this people started telling me you have spent a lot, because I wanted to do a rural film in a good way with good technology. So the expenditure was, yeah. So the production houses, they started telling me, the banners started telling me that you have spent a lot on a rural Indian film. Why you have to spend so much of money? And because there is no market. And then it started going to the film festivals, and now it's on MX Player. So I think everything has its own story, but it's fine. I've done it and it's there and people are liking it.
तो आपने वर्कशॉप में अपने एक्टर्स से खेती करवाई थी?
हाँ, खेती करवाई, खेतों में काम करवाया उनको. क्या नाम है, गांव में सुअर के साथ रहने को वो मिला, सुअर चराना जिसको कहते हैं. सो सुअर चराने को सुअर चरवाया, फिर बाद में बकरी के साथ रखा, तो ये सारी चीजें की. उनके घर में खाना बनवाया लड़की से, तो वो सारा काम करवाया.
Tell us, how did you end up being a filmmaker?
How did I end up
being a filmmaker?
This is a nice question. See, I was born and raised in Assam, and Assam has a very cultural environment. Everyone there is somewhere or other doing something in the cultural field. And in school, you get to know the people who have contributed towards culture. It be Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, Vishnu Rabha, and on their birthdays you do write essays. So there is where I think so Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, a son of a tea garden owner who sold everything to make a film, that inspired me a lot. Then when I read about Bhupen Hazarika and then again made Bhupen Hazarika, so those points were turning point of life. Then I wanted to be a filmmaker. So then when I studied social work, I wanted to be a documentary filmmaker. So I did documentary for 12, 13 years. I'm a little lazy, so I never tried for a fiction film. It happened, I was giving some ideas to my friends, and there is where I should also make a film, and then we started working on this script. So this is how. So I can say that for fiction, I'm an accidental filmmaker. Yes. Documentary, it was a choice.
So what next? What are we up to?
Next, I'm writing a script. I would always want to experiment with my script. I'm writing a script on Kashmir. Kashmir is again, people in last 3-4 years it's been always a talking point in the country. But in last 2-3 years, people have been talking about it. So my next script would be on Kashmir. It's in progress. I would like to do a geopolitical film on Kashmir.
And you're currently writing it?
Yes, we are writing it. So with my friend, I'm writing it. My friend Ranjan Chauhan and I together are writing it. And there's another friend of mine, Saksham. So 3 of us are writing it.
So what is the kind of general response that you had to film? General as in non-film scholars or critics or jury at a festival? Just
see, when my mother saw the film, she said that they look like the Musahars. When she saw the characters, she told me that they look like Musahars of our village, and that was the biggest compliment I could get. I had shown it to my father also. He told me the same thing, and similar kind of. I think I got a call from an activist, and he was also telling me the same thing, and that's the biggest compliment I got. the characters are looking as real as they could. So that's the biggest compliment I could. And then everyone could relate to their village, their surrounding. So that's, I think so. I am forgetting the name of the person. He had screened the film to the whole village. So that's the reactions I'm getting, and that's great feeling for me.
Where was this?
In Bihar, they have done it somewhere.
That's
My film was shot in Bihar, Navada district,
Nevada, Gaya.
Gaya के पास.